In Act 5 of A Midsummer Night's Dream by William Shakespeare, the action shifts to the palace of Theseus in Athens, where the wedding celebrations are taking place. This scene serves as the culmination of the play, bringing resolution to the various conflicts and misunderstandings. Theseus, the Duke of Athens, and his bride-to-be, Hippolyta, enter the scene with a group of nobles and attendants. They discuss the strange and fantastical tales told by the lovers who had been in the enchanted forest. Theseus dismisses the stories as mere imaginings and suggests that they attribute it all to the magical and transformative power of the night. Soon after, the four young lovers, Hermia, Lysander, Helena, and Demetrius, enter the palace. They are now united in their true pairings, with Lysander and Hermia and Demetrius and Helena. Theseus questions them about their experiences in the forest, and the lovers recount the events that unfolded, including their confusion, arguments, and eventual reconciliation. Theseus finds the lovers' stories amusing and suggests that they were all merely dreaming. He announces that they will join him and Hippolyta in the wedding celebration and share their stories as entertainment. The scene then transitions to the arrival of a group of local craftsmen known as the Mechanicals, who have come to perform their play, The Most Lamentable Comedy and Most Cruel Death of Pyramus and Thisbe, as part of the wedding festivities. Theseus welcomes the Mechanicals and encourages them to proceed with their performance. The Mechanicals enthusiastically begin their play, intending to present a serious and tragic love story. However, their performance is filled with unintentional comedy and ineptitude, causing the noble audience, including Theseus and Hippolyta, to burst into laughter. The Mechanicals remain unaware of the comedic effect they create and earnestly continue with their play. During the performance, the fairies, led by Oberon and Titania, secretly intervene to enhance the comedy. Puck, Oberon's mischievous servant, uses his magic to transform the head of one of the Mechanicals, Bottom, into that of a donkey. This unexpected alteration further amuses the audience, who find Bottom's antics and the confusion it creates highly entertaining. After the play concludes, the nobles express their delight and commend the Mechanicals for their efforts. Theseus praises their simplicity and honesty, considering their performance a welcome diversion. He declares that they shall all retire for the wedding night and enjoy a festive celebration. Act 5 of A Midsummer Night's Dream showcases the convergence of the mortal and fairy worlds, with the lovers, nobles, and the Mechanicals coming together in joyful celebration. The scene reinforces the themes of love, illusion, and the transformative power of imagination. It serves as a light-hearted and comedic finale, leaving the audience with a sense of mirth and delight. Join me in the next episode, where we shall delve deeper into the heart of Shakespeare's masterpiece, unraveling its themes, exploring its magical elements. Please subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and please leave a like, it will mean a world to me.